Alright guys, I'm in West Kelowna here. Excuse me. You can hear the robins singing. It's only January 29th, guys, and you can hear a robin singing right now. Very, very unusual this time of year, for sure. Let's listen. There, guys, you can't beat living here. That's for sure. Living in this beautiful valley, Okanagan Valley, West Kelowna, Lake Country, name it. It's amazing. Hear the sound of the birds for sure. I'm definitely confused, guys. It's not springtime, but really amazing. Let's listen. Alright guys, take care, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like the sounds of birds in West Kelowna. I'm on the west side lake, you can see. Looks like rain today, later on today probably. Some rain. I'll do another update for you guys later. Anyway guys.